Okay, this is going to be how to set up your first WordPress. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the internet and you're going to type in wordpress.org. This is going to take you to the official site, which is wordpress.com. It says creating your stunning web, and you go down here where it says get started. You click the start, and here you're going to put information in here on what you'd like for the name of your site. Since this is going to just be for a show only, I'm actually going to think of a name that doesn't have a lot of numbers after it. So I'm going to think of something that starts with a X. Or something that's unusual that not a lot of people search for. Headboards. Okay. So what will my site be about? It'll be about creating headboards. This is just an example. Okay. What is my site going to do? You just click one of these. What is it going to do? Let's say it's going to sell products and collect payments. Or share ideas. Let's just click just the ones that you feel. Okay, so now this is where I'm going to give my site a name. Depending on what you're interested in doing, you're going to put whatever name is. Let's just say WordPress tutorials. And I can't use that dot in there, so we cannot use that. Try this one. I can use that one. Okay, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to look for something that says free. I'm going to select that. This plan is going to come up. I'm going to say start with a free plan. Going to hit the button. And there I have my name here that I was going for was headboards. My site is WordPress. Now I can change this if I want, but this is just the first steps to what you do to set up your site. Everything that is here, if you click on this one, which is view your site, gives you one moment, and this is where you can start. Now, just a quick note, is the first thing that you're going to want to do is you want to come down here to customize, and you go into the themes, you can look down here and you can choose a theme that you like. Say it's a photo blog. Actually, you have to look at the numbers here because these cost money. These ones are free. If they don't have a price on them, then they're free. So let's choose this one here. So I'm going to click on that. If you want to have a look at the live demo, you can click that and it will show you what it is, how it's done. And if you like it, you can click activate. Now it's now activating your theme. You can also click customize. Now the reason you're going to do that, to click customize, is so that edit and decide to change anything. Okay. So I don't want to get too far ahead here, but I just wanted to show you that all of these places here are all places that show you where everything is. Like for instance, here's your site identity. Okay, this is where I can change the title. And I think I'm just going to put it with WordPress tutorials. Okay, and what is going to be my tagline? My tagline is going to be free. DIY, which is do it yourself, WordPress. I don't have a logo, so we're not going to worry about that right now. And I could put an image in here. As you see here, it says that an image should be 512 by 512. Okay, so I do have one. I can put it in. I will just select from my library here, and I'm just going to go to my media library, and I don't really have any there. I'm just going to pick this one right here. Now this is also going to be in another lesson about the alt text and the description and everything, but for the moment I'm just going to select this, and it says crop the image, which means you can move it over, because this is what's going to show. So there's my image right there. I'm clicking it. Now I'm going to publish this. Do you see this picture right there? As it's published, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, one last thing I'm just going to show you before I tutorial is that I would like to just go really quickly. Sorry, I got out here. Go back into the end. And go down down to the header image. That's the one that I wanted to show you to begin with. The header image is, you can randomize it, or you can put your own image in. So I'm just going to randomize, which is then going to give me all these different image headers coming up. I'm going to publish that. And this is the end of the first tutorial on how to set up your